Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are keeping yourself safe, staying at home. Today I am going to take a class in English about transformation of sentences. This class is especially for the students of class 9 and 10. But those who are the students of class 8 can also follow this topic, because this transformation of sentences includes a lot of items. And in English second paper, for the students of class 9 and 10, there are 11 items of grammar, of which this item is the largest, because only this is the question that carries 10 marks. Let's see what are the items includes transformation of sentences. The first one is affirmative to negative. Second one is assertive to interrogative. Third one is assertive to exclamatory. Fourth one is simple to complex to compound. That means we need to change either a simple sentence into a complex or compound, or a complex sentence to simple or compound, or a compound sentence to simple or complex. Similarly, there is another topic, degree, positive, comparative, superlative. This also means that we need to change one degree to another two. And finally, there is another topic, that is active to passive, that is voice. All these items that I have shown on the board, there might have some questions vice versa also. That means affirmative to negative, similarly negative to affirmative. Today I am going to talk about positive, comparative, superlative, that is changing degrees. In a single class, it's not possible for me to discuss all these items. So, one by one, in the next time, I will discuss also the other items. Now, my topic today is changing degree. Before going to give the definition, first follow these three sentences. Here are three sentences regarding changing degrees. Example. First one is, Karim is a good boy. Second one is, Karim is better than Rahim. And third one, or finally, Karim is the best boy in the class. If you follow this, you can easily understand that the first one, Karim is a good boy. Here, Karim, good is the positive form of a degree, and here there is no comparison. Karim is better than Rahim in the question number second sentence. Here there is comparison between two persons. And finally, Karim is the best boy in the class. This is the third sentence. Here we compare more than two. In the class is a collective noun. It means only one, but a class consists of minimum 50 to 60 students. So, the first one, Karim is a good boy, where there is no comparison, it is positive degree. Then, Karim is better than Rahim. The second one, here we have compared between two persons, and that is why it's comparative degree. A third one, where I have compared with many, and that's why it's superlative. So we can easily understand that degree basically three kinds. First one is positive, second one is comparative, and third one is superlative. Now we have to know how to change. Before going to know the different rules of changing degrees, we need to discuss some another thing. In these three sentences, if you follow, you can see that in the comparative degree, there is the another form, the comparative form of good, better, and also there is a word than after the adjective. Similarly, in the third sentence, in the superlative degree, the superlative form of better is best, and there is an article the before the adjective. If we analyze these three sentences, we can see that normally we add er in the comparative form and est in the superlative form. So, in the positive degree, we use the basic form or main form of the adjective, and in the comparative degree, we add er with the adjective, and we also use a than after the adjective, and finally in the superlative degree we use the superlative form, that is we add est with the adjective, and before the adjective we use definite article the. It is a must. There is also some another thing I would like to discuss, and that is, if the degree or adjective is one syllable like big, for comparative it is bigger, and for superlative it is biggest. Just like tall, taller, and tallest. But if the adjective is more than one syllable, like beautiful, then we have no right to add er or est. We need to use more or less for comparative and most or least for superlative. So beautiful, more beautiful or less beautiful, and most beautiful or least beautiful. In this way we can use different forms of positive, comparative and superlative form of adjectives. Here I want to mention another most important thing, that is, in English there are 11 adjectives which have come from Latin. Normally this word is these adjectives are used for only comparative degree, and there is not er but or at the end of the word. This type of adjectives are only 11, and they are called Latin comparative. For Latin comparative, the word is consist of or, and that case we have no right to use after this adjective than, but to. For example, he is senior to me. Here to, not than. So these are some basic rules for changing degrees. Students, here there are two examples more for your better understanding. Look at the sentences. The first one is, Meena is taller than Veena. This is a comparative degree. this sentence is also affirmative. So if you are asked to make it positive, normally we use object to subject. Bina is, as this sentence means that Meena is taller, that means from to Bina. So Bina is not as or so tall as Meena. It means that Meena is taller, Bina is not so taller as Bina. So as this sentence is affirmative, the positive must be negative. Similarly, the second one, she is not as or so intelligent as he. This sentence is a negative sentence, this degree is positive. If you are asked to make it comparative, you have to do in this way: he is more intelligent. We can use also less than she. As this sentence is negative, the comparative must be positive. Otherwise, the meaning must be different. We have to know that for changing sentence, we have to change from one to another without changing the meaning. So if I or we use not here, the meaning must be changed. Similarly, if we don't use not here, the meaning of this sentence also be changed. Here is another important thing, and that is, if the subject or object is pronoun, very sincerely minded for changing comparative, the object must be nominative. Nominative means subjective, not the objective. That whatever I want to say is that he is more intelligent than she, not her. This is impossible. So these are the some basic rules for changing degrees. There are also some another words which we need to use for clarify changing degrees. Today I want to close this class. Practice this sitting at home, whatever I have already said and whatever I have written on the board. The remaining part, that is the basically how to change from one degree to another, will show you tomorrow or the next day in another class. For that time, up to that time, you practice this at home and consult your textbook also, grammar book. Definitely, I will show you in my next class only 4 degrees, and I will show you how these 4 degrees consists of 98% degrees within these 4. So be happy, stay at home, don't go outside, because now we are facing a crisis moment and coronavirus is increasing day by day in our country. We are facing a very difficult time. I hope you will enjoy my class, and whatever I have mentioned here, you will follow it. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.